Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, I want to share a personal story that shook me and reminded me of how misunderstood Bitcoin still is. At the 2024 Ohio State graduation ceremony, the speaker mentioned Bitcoin, and to my shock, the crowd booed. It was unsettling to see the future leaders of our world booing one of the most innovative and positive inventions of our lifetimes. Let's talk about why Bitcoin is controversial and why, instead of booing Bitcoin, people should really be booing the dollar. Why is Bitcoin controversial? Bitcoin challenges the status quo. It removes power from governments and central banks. It gives individuals full control of their money. It's decentralized, voluntary, and transparent. For many, Bitcoin is scary because it forces them to question everything they know about money, power, and fairness. But this controversy often comes from a lack of understanding. People see the headlines about volatility or misuse and immediately judge instead of taking the time to learn about what Bitcoin really represents. The problem with the dollar. Let's talk about the dollar, the system people should be booing. The dollar is created out of thin air by the Federal Reserve, diluting your purchasing power. It's forced upon the world through coercion and violence, not voluntary adoption. The Cantillon effects ensures that those close to the money printers get richer, while the average person works harder just to stay afloat. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a decentralized and voluntary protocol. No one is forcing you to use it. Its value comes from people choosing it freely because it's better money. Why the booing is so misguided. At graduation, I saw young minds, the supposed future leaders of our society, boo Bitcoin. It made me realize just how deeply misunderstood it still is. These students should be angry at the unfairness of the dollar, not Bitcoin. The dollar is a tool of oppression. Bitcoin is a tool of liberation. The dollar steals from the poor and gives it to the rich. Bitcoin gives everyone an equal shot at preserving their wealth. The dollar funds wars and violence. Bitcoin is neutral, peaceful network that anyone can join. Bitcoin represents hope, equality, and innovation. Bitcoin is more than just money. It's a way to opt out of a system that's fundamentally broken. It represents hope, a fair financial future for everyone. Equality, a system where no one can manipulate the money supply. Innovation, the most significant breakthrough in money since the invention of the gold standard. When you boo Bitcoin, you're booing freedom, fairness, and opportunity. When you cheer for the dollar, you're cheering for inequality, manipulation, and coercion. We need to change the narrative. Learn before you judge. If you've ever been skeptical of Bitcoin, I encourage you to take the time to learn about it. Don't let headlines or misconceptions shape your opinion. Bitcoin isn't a problem, it's the solution. And for those of us who already see the potential of Bitcoin, it's up to us to educate, share, and help others understand, because the future depends on it. Bitcoin is controversial because it changes the status quo, but that's what makes it so powerful. It's not just about money, it's about freedom, fairness, and innovation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.